Okay, so on our warm-up, by the way, if you're finishing a quiz, finish the quiz first. And if you were not here on Friday, make sure you turn in your warm-ups for last week, right? Y'all know what today is? Game day. Monday Night Football. Cowboys going to wreck. Yes. Now, on your warm-up, we're going to add these up equal to how many degrees? 180. So let's write that down. 2x plus 3 plus, yeah, draw the triangle. Plus this equals 180, yeah? Wait, you should have already done this. So we're writing down our equation, putting the phones away, right? We definitely don't have 2 headphones in our ears, like school policy dictates. Please and thank you. Thank you. Now, let's combine like terms. Listen. 2x, 5x, and 1x add up to what? 8x. 3. 3 plus 8 plus negative 7, or minus 7, gives us what? 4. That equals 180. And then I need to get rid of that loner.
No 4 November.
How do I get rid of that 4?
Subtract it.
Minus 4. Minus 4. 8x equals what? 176. And then what?
Divide by 8. Divide by 8. Divide by 8.
Then we divide by 8. And then we get...
And then x equals 22.
Okay. Now, so you have today's warm-up. Now, today we're doing an activity. Yes, activity. So, now, you know I usually don't do stuff like this because it's kind of, this stuff is cute, and I'm not cute. But here's the deal. The real reason we don't do this stuff is because people break stuff and lose stuff. So if you can not lose... If you cannot lose my straws, that'd be awesome. Don't lose the little list in there either, okay? So we might have enough for everyone. If not, you might have to have a partner, okay? So let's pass these out. Please do not lose a straw. All right. Do you want a partner? Okay. There you go. Say what? Yes. Who do you want to partner with? Okay, then he already has one, and then there you go, and here you go. All right, so I'm going to show y'all what we're doing. Okay, I'm going to pass out this sheet to you. Give me a second. Here we go. So everybody, check it out. On this sheet, is everyone listening? So on number 1, or we'll call it the first one, okay? Does everyone see we have 3 numbers?
Yes, sir.
6, 6.
Does everyone see we have 3 numbers here? 6, 6, and 2, okay? So what you want to find are the 3 straws that represent 6, 6, and 2. Now, you have this little chart here. 6 is going to be purple. So 2 purples, and then 2 is going to be red. So what you're doing is you're trying to see, does it make a triangle? Okay, so everybody. Sorry, what? Right. Unless your little list says something different, right? So 6, 6, and 2 is purple, purple, red. Can it make a triangle? Yes, it does. Okay. So here's what you're gonna do. So we're gonna put a check mark for yes. Yes, it does. Now, A plus B. You're gonna pick the 2 smallest numbers out of those 3. Now, in this case, I know there's a repeating 6. Okay, but 6 and 2. Let's add those together. 6 plus 2 is 8. And then the longest side, well, it's 6. Now, usually it's not like that where there's doubles, okay? But you get the idea. So what you're going to do, whether it's you and a partner, you're going to take the 3 numbers, find the right straws, see if it makes a triangle, put yes or no, and then fill out this and this as you go down. Okay? All right, so everyone's going to get started on that now. I'm going to give you a couple minutes. I'll put a timer on the board. Let's go. on the board, I'm doing the second one, 4, 6, and 7. It does make a triangle, so I'm going to put yes. So 4 plus 6, the smaller numbers make what? 10? Okay. Next one, 2, 6, and 7. Okay, so that's going to be red, purple, orange. Now, this is smaller, but you can still, if you move it right, it can make a triangle, okay? It's obtuse, but it's still a triangle. So we're going to put yes. 2 plus 6 is 8, and then the bigger side is 7. Okay, 2, 4, and 7. Did anybody already get 2, 4, 7? What do you think? Red, green, orange.
No, it's not. No,
Shh. So check it out. I do this. Now, I want to rotate them until they touch, but guess what? They don't, right? So 2, 4, 7 does not make a triangle. That's a big old no. 2 plus 4 is 6, and the longest side was 7. Okay? Some people messed up and lost a straw, sorry. So, next one is 3, 6, 7, which is yellow, purple, orange.
Actually, it could look. Yeah, 2, 6, 4, 4.
All right, 2, 4, 7. Wait, which one are we on? 3, 6, 7. Sorry. Yellow, purple, orange. All right. Does it make a triangle? It does. Okay, so yes. The smaller ones, 3 plus 6 is 9, and then the longer side was 7. Now, the next one is 6, 4, 4, which is purple, green, green. All right, so hey, it's a nice isosceles triangle, 2 equal sides. But yeah, it is a triangle, right? Might even be right. So yes. Right now, I don't know. That's supposed to be a 6. Okay, 4 plus 4 equals 8, and then 6. And so again, on this column right here, it says to add up the shorter sides. So these were the shorter sides, right?
Oh, okay. I did it wrong.
And then on the very right, I put the longest one, which was 6. Yeah. Now, 2, 4, 6. What did y'all get for 2, 4, 6?
No.
No. Let's find out. Red, green, and then purple. So check it out. I got red, green. Now, when I rotate them and I try to make them meet, they actually fold flat into 2 lines, okay? That is not a triangle, okay? 2 flat, okay? So, no, 2 plus 4 is 6, and the longest side was 6. Okay, 3, 3, 7. Okay, so that would be what? Yellow, yellow, orange. So what about this one? What do you think? No. Yeah. There's no way for these to meet. So yeah, that's a no. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and the longest side is 7. What about 2, 7, 7? What do you think? Red, red, orange, orange. No. All right, so it's a very tall triangle. Look at that. It's a slice of pizza there. All right, so that's a yes, actually. 2 plus 7 is 9. And the longest side was 7. 2, 3, 6, what do you think? Red, yellow, and purple. Now, some of y'all are already catching what's happening here, but check it out. These don't meet. No meet is a no. 2 plus 3 is 5, and then 6. Now, why were we doing the last two columns? Because there's a relationship there. So let's think about whether these are greater than, equal to, or less than. So, first one. So we got 8, and 8 is greater than 6, right? So if y'all don't mind, go ahead and put these little symbols right here. So 8 is greater than 6, and that was a yes. 10 is greater than 7. That's also a yes. 8 is greater than 7. That's also a yes. But the next one is a no. And what do you notice about?
It's not a triangle.
This time it's less. Oh, I'll circle that one. Less was no, not a triangle. Okay, 9 is greater than 7. That's a triangle. 8 is greater than 6. That's a triangle.
Equal sign.
Now 6 and 6 are obviously equal. And equal was a no. Less than was a no. 6 is less than 7. Less than is still a no, right? 9 is greater than 7. 5 is less than 6. So which ones are no's? I meant like, which symbols give us no? Less than and equal, okay? So here's the deal. You need to make, in your own words at the bottom, how do I tell if it's yes or no a triangle? I have to add up the two what? Which sides? Add up the shorter sides and see if they're greater than the longest side. Okay? So you can put it in your own words and then write down our class conjecture down here, okay, at the bottom. Put it in your own words and then write it as a class conjecture. Then, since you didn't lose any straws in the matter of minutes that you had them, you can put them back in the bag, and then they can go back in the tin. All right, we're on the back now.
There's a back?
I'm going to show you all some sample examples. Okay, flip it over.
I'm done. Whatever was done.
Me or someone else?
It was Amy. Amy did it.
Did someone not shut their bag right?
You're holding the joint, man.
Y'all are killing me. All right. Well, on the back now. So, you should be able to tell me, if you're given 3 numbers, tell me, does it make a triangle? So just like on the front side, what am I going to add together? The 2 smaller numbers. So what are the 2 smaller numbers on number 1? 4 plus 5 is? Is 9 greater than or less than 7? Greater than 7 means yes. The two smaller have to add up greater than the longest side. It can't be equal and it can't be less.
What if it's equal?
It's a no. So over here on number 2, what are the smaller numbers? 2 plus 4 is 6, but 6 is less than 9. So that means no, not a triangle.
That's 9.
No, 2 plus 4 is 6, which is less than. Oh, yeah. All right, on number 3.
Yeah, come on.
5 plus 7 is 12, but 12 is equal to 12. Can't be equal. That's when it's flattened out, okay? Most people miss the equal ones. Does everyone hear me say equals are not triangles, okay? Okay, what do you think about 4? Is it yes or no?
No.
Okay, it's no because
No, like
8
Mom said,
equals 8. No. And then 5, what do? 5 plus 9 is 14, which is greater than 12. Is that yes or no? Yes. And then 5 plus 7 is 12. Is that greater than or less than 14? Less than is no. So if I give you 3 numbers, from now on, you should be able to tell me if it makes a triangle, right? Because you already wrote this down and you're already on the back doing what we're doing, right? Now, last thing. 7, 8, and 9. Now, if you're given 3 numbers, you know what to do. If you're given 2 numbers and it asks you to find a range, then you need to give a range. No. So here's how you do a range, okay, using inequality notation. You always put x in the middle, less than on each side. X is the answer, and it's between 2 numbers, okay? So the real question is, how do I find the lower number and the higher number? So, long story short, what you're going to do is subtract the 2 numbers on the left and add the 2 numbers on the right. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Why? Can you delete that?
He was looking at a video.
I'm looking at a video.
Looking at a video.
I can't look at a video.
Trying to show Amy the video.
Yeah. Amy a video?
All right, 9 plus 5 is what? 14.
It was for your...
Now, does everyone understand how to get the numbers? Now, here's why they're true, okay? Okay, if 4 is your third side, 5 plus 4 is 9, it's equal, right? Now, it can't be equal. That's why it has to be greater than 4. On this side, 9 plus 5 is 14. If they're equal, that's not going to work. So it has to be less than 14, okay? So you get the idea. So again, on number 8, we put x, less than. How do I get the left number? 5 minus 2 is 3. And on the right, 5 plus 2 is 7. Who can tell me the answer for number 9?
5 less than x less than 17.
5 is less than x, which is less than 17. Subtract on the left, add on the right. Now, those are the notes that you're going to keep. I'm going to give you the assignment right now, okay?